Hello YouTube, how to make stale bread fresh and soft again, a life hack from a famous British chef. The chef gives simple advice on how to turn bread hard as a stone into fresh as a daisy. Restaurant chef in Cambridge who specializes in low-waste cooking. He recommends, if possible, not to get rid of food waste, but to bring it back to life. Recently I explained in my blog how to spice up stale bread. This is a very simple way and it works. Tristan suggests wetting the bread first. You can do it just under the tap. It is important that your stale bread is well soaked with water. After that, when the bread becomes very wet, you need to place it in an oven heated to 200 degrees for about 5 minutes. Larger loaves will take a little longer in the oven. After the bread has cooled down a bit, it can be eaten and it will no longer be stale. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.